Libra, this is your channel messages for the 11th, no, for the 5th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Libra, your channel message is the King of Wands. So you're dealing with a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius, okay? Great. So this is your channel song. Another day is gone, I'm still all alone. How can this be? You're not here with me. Never said goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go and leave my world so cold? Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Something whispers in my ear and say, you are not alone in the bed. I am here with you, cock up your leg. Though you're far away, we're not gonna stay. I am here to stay. You are not alone in the bed. I am here with you. And though we're far apart, I'm always in your heart. But you are not alone in the bed. Long, Shamona. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm getting you are not alone. I am here for you. Though you're far away, whether that's a Facebook, that is a message, and whatever it is, I don't know what it is. But I'm getting, I am here to stay. And you are not alone. You're not. So don't think you are. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Quick, because I have to exit here soon. The time is coming down. The time is coming down upon me. Here we go. Where the fuck we go? Okay, let's go. Libra. Jesus Christ, it's in there. Who's your soulmate, Libra? We're the Four of Swords. I'm getting is that Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. This person is in resting, healing, remission. We're getting somebody. This is a church though. So I don't know if you have prayer, where you do. But we're getting a soulmate is meditating, resting. Are they on a pilgrimage at the moment? Where will you meet them? I'm guessing you're going to meet them in a church. But where will you meet them? Six of Pentacles, donations. They'll be donating things for you, giving you some stuff. Yeah, it could be a church foundation, something like that. What you have in common, Seven of Pentacles. Either both of you are out of work or both of you is going to meet because they're volunteering and you need help. I see this person resting though, so the person don't show them face a lot. What issues do you have to overcome? The Seven of Swords. I feel like you helping somebody is making a lot of people angry. Okay, wait. What relationship did you share in a past life? Ten of Pentacles, a lot of money. How can you deepen the relationship? Three of Pentacles. Oh, so I'm getting basically you need to go in a business with the church. There's something you can do. It can offer, it can bring money, donations towards the church, and it can actually help. I'm getting the church need donations and you need help. So if I scratch your back, you scratch mine. No, there is something blocking it here. I don't know if you are block it or if other people are block it. But I'm getting if you collaborate with these people, I'm getting here there's no money coming in. And I feel like they must say it's because you're not giving money. Maybe somebody feel like you have money. I don't have money, sweetie. I had in a past life. Maybe that's why you keep fucking reading them a chart. You keep a read them. I have Ten of Pentacles. You keep a read them. Me a King of Pentacles. Maybe in a past life. Maybe in the future, prosh. But it never said no. It never said she having a TD bank no. Cause me getting somebody say, but you want to work with me, you take things from me, but you're not giving nothing, because I don't have nothing to give. I don't know which blood clot theory you don't take off read, because she's not reading the cards right. Someone may be a King of Pentacles energy, that don't mean them have it in the bank account. So what, me getting your soulmate, you're gonna work with your soulmate, to our own you're gonna work with on the church. I don't know if you know do things for the church, pack things, pack food. I'm also getting something about you not working for money. I'm getting them why you work but you don't get paid. So you don't work for money, you just give your time. See, I have a pussy, I'm not Jesus. The fuck you talking? I have a pussy and 34 to 36 C-size breasts. The fuck I look like? Ew. The fuck? I don't need to face oppression. What the fuck am I doing that for? Anyways, yeah, so basically that's what it is. So is it that you need to go to the church to make money with the church, or am I getting something about I don't know, it just sounds weird, man. I don't know why I want to say that. Or I'm getting there's a Capricorn who frequent this church. Him want help you, but the church member said don't help her. She don't come to the church. Okay. Don't help her. She don't come to church. Don't help her. Okay. So you knew what Hitler's logic was. Don't help them. We're not Jews. Don't help them. So you see the same logic you had, because they're not one of you. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into these and let's finish it here, because I'm frightened that the girl never come down and yell at me. She just walk right through the building. Wheel of Fortune. Cleanse your space. She'll probably start liking me now. Judgment. Third eye. And I was innocent. Or maybe because I leave her, make she cuss. Anytime I read cards, she come down. You see me don't read, you see me get up to them and I read card, she don't come down. She don't come in this here, section here. She will come in this section after hours, like daylight time. But as long as I start read card, she come down here. And I know it had to wake her up at channel her. Cause one time she said, Chad, leave me the fuck alone, Chad. I'm like, my brother's name is Chad. So I wish blood clot demon around me. I try to confiscate my pussy juices. Who the fuck is that? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.